Okay, class. We will again tackle the Earth and Life Science Quarter 1. We are now in Module 3B about formation of rocks. So again, just go over with the modules provided to you. And in this module, under I Need to Know, this module was designed and written with you in mind. It is here to help you describe the physical and chemical changes in rocks due to changes in pressure and temperature, also known as metamorphism. So we can see here our code. Compare and contrast the formation of the different types of igneous rock also with the code, corresponding code. So this module will be divided with two lessons. We have ang lesson 1, to focus sa metamorphism, and ang lesson 2 naman is formation of different types of igneous rocks. So after going through this module, ang objectives would be the students will be able to describe the process of metamorphism and compare the formation of the different types of igneous rocks. So simply answer lang, I will check on this. Select the letter of your best answer sa paper, sa inyong paper nga yellow pad. Please make sure that you use all capital letters. Again, all capital letters. So answer lang ta 1 to 10. Then, makadto ka mo sa lesson 1, which is metamorphism. Makita ninyo ang lesson overview sang aton nga lesson. Kung meron na mga key terms, simply read lang dira, formation of limestone into marble, etc. So I will sa parts sang I will do this under activity 1, high or low. So based on the selection about metamorphism, identify which word should be inside the black arc in the graph. Select the word from the box below and write it inside the black arc. So ari ang atong mga word choices, simply write lang ang letters of the correct answer. So amo ning mga blocks nga ginanamin niya. Ari. Okay, next. Under analysis questions, do not forget, select the correct words from the word bank below to complete the phrases. So anyway, we have the depth increases, pressure, temperature decreases. So for number 1, as the depth increases, the pressure also blank. For number 2, the degree of metamorphism increases as pressure and blank increases. So answer that in your paper. Under the I learned this na part, fill in the blanks. Select your answer from the word box. So ang word box may changing, chemical, heat, melt, kag pressure. So select lang some correct answer dira. Under I practice this, you will just need to copy the table, answer either low or high only. So next, under I apply this, if right check if the statement suggests situation where metamorphism can occur, and X if it cannot. So we have here 5 kabilog, sulat lang daang check or X. Under sa I test myself, read each item carefully, select the letter of the best answer. Again, all in capital letters lang kita. Answer 1 to 5 questions. Now you will reach lesson 2, formation of the different types of igneous rocks. Simply go over with the lesson overview. Okay? So go over lang dira. You can see there the pictures. Under I will do this, you will have an activity known as the igneous rock hunt. So you will have there the different types of rocks and the in the passage. So in the passage that you will read, make sure that you categorize the different examples of igneous rocks according to its type. Sa ibutang mo diri nga part ang extrusive igneous rocks nga nakita mo didto, sa diri nga part ang intrusive igneous rocks nga nakita mo man sa passage ta. Do not forget to answer the analysis questions. What characteristics are common among these types or group of rocks? And then this is for answer for intrusive igneous rocks to write the common characteristics. For extrusive igneous rocks to also write the common characteristics. So duwa ng ibutang. Answer in 3 to 5 sentences for intrusive igneous rocks nga characteristics na common and extrusive igneous rocks as well. Number 2, what are the differences between the two types of igneous rocks in terms of texture and composition? So you describe. And then kadto ta sa I learned this na part, the following are the key concepts about igneous rocks. Complete the following statements, choose from the box below. So choices ta is cooling, identical, look, magma slowly. So simply write the correct answers in the blanks provided or simply answer sa inyong answer sheet. Sa I practice this na part, sa part 1, you make a Venn diagram, comparing and contrasting the formation of the two types of igneous rock. Paghambal ka Venn diagram, it will show you the differences kag similarities ang duwata nga gina-describe. Sa diri nga part, you identify kung ano nga characteristics ang ara sa extrusive igneous rock. Diri nga side ang only found sa intrusive igneous rock. Sa diri nga side nga naga-overlap, diri mo ibutang kung ano ang both nga nakita mo sa duwa nga types of rocks. So under sa I apply this, sa diri you will have a situation and then what you will do is you will write yes or no and then you try to support your answer. Make sure that you support using 3 to 5 sentences. A simple yes or no will not give you any credit. So make sure that you support your answer. And then, kadto ta sa I test myself, multiple choice. Again, make sure you answer all in capital letters. So 1 to 5 questions lang ina. So amo lang na. And at the end of the module, may ara kita post-test. Also answer sa aton nga post-test. Now, if you have any questions or clarifications, message me lang sa ato na group chat. Sa consultation time, I will be the ones to provide you with a reply. Okay? So, try ta nga tihunguhaan yung intindihan atong ginabasa. Okay? So, ma-continue lang ta the answer. So, keep safe lang tanan. Taghalong sa atong tagsa nga panimalay.